ready.
Would you like to know the gender of the baby?
Yes.
Okay. She is having...
Oh my god, okay! I'm sure you do these calls all the time and it's just people screaming all the time.
Hi guys. I'm out of breath, in which I know that's like, I want to use the excuse that I'm pregnant, but like, I don't think I'm allowed to use it yet. I'm not, like, I don't really have a belly yet. I think it's a mix of I'm already out of shape and I've been horizontal nauseous for the last 3 months, so. And I'm anxious as hell. A bitch can't breathe. But my sister has our gender results. She's on her way. I almost just started sobbing. I just did a full face of makeup and curled my hair for the first time in 3 months, and it felt stupid doing all this makeup knowing I'm just gonna sob it off, but it also felt nice because it's been so long since I've done anything to myself, really. I just, not like a disclaimer, but like I want to say this for myself. My child can be whatever, whoever they want to be. Any gender, any sex, any sexual orientation. They can be whatever they want to be, except disrespectful. I've never loved gender reveal parties in which you gather a bunch of people, just because I've been to some where the mom is upset with the results and it's like, why have a party if you don't even, you know what I mean? So I've never been a fan of like gender reveal parties, although if it wasn't Corona time, we probably would have just had a little something with both of our immediate families, just the, how many of us is there? 12 of us? Maybe like bit into a cupcake and found the sex, you know, something like that. But since that can't happen, my parents have not gotten their vaccine, they can't get here yet, and we're just not seeing people. We thought we'd make a cutie little gender reveal video, and then I could share it with you guys too. Bradley had 2 things he agreed to do for like a gender reveal because we both are on the same page that they're kind of dumb. No offense. Obviously. His first one is ridiculous, and I'll have him tell you it in a second. But his second one was hitting a hockey puck because he saw somebody that he played hockey with do that or something. And I was like, I don't care. I just want to know. And I thought that at least having my sister know and tell us was a more exciting way of finding out, other than me calling and them telling me over the phone. Because I did the blood work test, which, by the way, the genetics test, everything turned out normal and good. I was like panicked about that, but we are good. I'm panicked about everything, which we'll talk about that later. This is my first time like talking to a camera openly about me being pregnant, so I feel like I have a lot to say. I haven't like technically announced it to you guys yet. Hi, babe.
What did you tell them?
Well, it's not live.
They're there, they're watching.
Before we do this, tell them what you really wanted for a gender reveal.
Do they want to know?
Absolutely.
I tweeted about it.
Could you like bend down or back up? Or?
I wanted a big party. Also, all gender reveal parties are like in trouble after that. That was in California, right? The fire?
Yeah, the big fire that...
Yeah, there was a fire that was started off by somebody lighting off, you know, like one of the sparkler types. I wanted like a cake or something. But if there's like 50 people at the party and it's like, all right, 3, 2, 1, it shoots off, or like we open the cake and it's green on the inside. and then I saw her face and now I'm a believer. And it's just like this whole Shrek party that has been planned. And we don't, and then of course my mom's gonna be like, well, actually, what is it? And I'm like, oh, we don't know. We don't want to know the gender until like it's born. And the whole party would just be a waste of time.
A Shrek themed party is not
a waste of time, but as far as a gender reveal, which like all our family coming would want to know.
This is our first baby Ludi.
This lighting's amazing.
I know. Okay, so now that we're here, I turned the camera on to just kind of say, I think it's a girl. I don't care either way.
We're like talking about this before we're doing it.
Yeah, I feel like either way, I'm gonna have like 5 minutes of mourning what it's not, just because, I don't know. Well, like there's things about both that I would love.
I want a boy because I feel like most men are trash and just want another dude to play with. I think it's gonna be a girl because it feels like 85% of the kids of like my friends are all boys. And so I'm like, where are the girls in the world?
Why would we be special? Maybe it's just like something in my
Not special, I just feel like the majority of people I know have boys, and so I'm like, where are the girls in the world? So we're going to spit out like 4 girls to make up.
I did like 3 of like the old wives' tale tests. The ring on a string, the needle on thread, and then the Chinese zodiac test. All of them said girl. My cravings, which are sweet and dairy, which is also said to be girl, and you're usually more sick if it's a girl, and I've been just dying. So
all this sounds like phooey, and who knows?
I mean, it probably is, but I just think it's fun.
Phooey?
It's hooey.
Hooey, wow. That's caught on camera.
But yeah, Katie's on her way. I don't know what to wear. The one thing I want to wear is like pink, but I don't want to like
It's just us in the backyard getting a hockey puck. You don't need to dress up.
Oh, but I want to look cute.
Look cute if you want, but I'm not putting on more than a t-shirt.
I also like feel bloated. I'm not like, I don't have
I'm
a
also
pregnant belly yet, but it's just like, what's happening to you? I just feel disgusting. There's like a flowy dress I think I'm gonna wear, but here we go. I'm gonna change. I'm constantly hiccuping too, so okay.
Hey!